Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Guys, today I will show you how to use GLAM AI. So guys, this is the app on Google Play. You can download the app and you can start to using this one. So guys, this is a AI filter. You can turn the image, you can use for generate the filters and testing visual incomparable AI generated virtual. As you can see here guys, you can use this AI technology to improve your customer experience, and you have a realistic technology and rapid diagnosizations, and you have a proven usage features, and you have mass adoptions and accessibility. Just click. You have AI generated filters, guys, as you can see here, up to 3 million download. As you can see here, a lot of images you can use to create engaging and visual content that captive. Just click download app, and after download the app you can use from here. As you can see here guys, you have this discover new. You can have a balance, and from here you can guys save image, and you can upload image, and you can start editing with this AI tools. So guys, a lot of option here. As you can see here, you have this option, you can video, you have this option also guys. You can turn created mermaid puppy AI video. You get a video from image, and you can create fashion magazine cover. A lot of things you can try perfect makeup, and you can get up the perfect shot. You can get a lot of things guys with this app. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you another edition.